Guys, the biggest news coming in today during COVID-19 is that Service Canada is finally reopening for biometrics inside Canada. So if you have been waiting to submit your biometrics to IRCC, then this is the video that you must be watching, because there are a lot of nitty-gritties and small details that you must be aware before you go ahead and schedule your appointment to submit your biometrics. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and my office is here inside Ontario. I practice in Brampton, Ontario, Canada. And if you want to get in touch with us, my details are there on the screen right now and in the description box. You can schedule an appointment with us and speak to us on your queries and doubts if you have any. Guys, before we start, let me just quickly put it through that if you are watching me for the first time, if you are on the channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that every time we release a new video and we talk about a lot of immigration programs, deliveries, updates and IRCC updates. So if you want to be aware of them, then this is the video and the channel that you must be watching all the time. Please hit the subscribe button and we would be happy to be in touch with you. So guys, let's just quickly get on with this video. And the biggest news that was released on the 27th of November is that Service Canada is finally opening the online biometrics enrollment scheduling tool starting the 30th of November. So 30th of November, which is tomorrow, that is Monday, the Service Canada online biometric enrollment tool will be open. So if you have been waiting to submit your biometrics information to IRCC, then this is the link that you must be heading out to. I will drop the link, and at least I will drop the link to the news on canada.ca, and let me just quickly give you a snapshot of what it actually talks about. So I'm not sure if you're able to view it on the screen, but so guys, it clearly says that since mid-September, Service Canada officers have been calling permanent residence applicants personally to schedule an appointment, but now starting November 30th, 2020, the Service Canada online enrollment tool of scheduling your biometric appointment is now open to public. So if you have to submit your biometric information, please schedule an appointment with Service Canada. The policy, the news release also says that the public policy which exempted temporary residence applicants in Canada still continues to be in effect, okay? Which clearly means that if you are waiting in line, or if you are an applicant for a temporary residence application, so let's say a visitor record, a study, work permit or anything which is temporary in nature, so there was already a public policy which exempted you from submitting the biometrics information. It is still in effect, so you don't have to rush. It is for people who are permanent residence applicants and who have not enrolled their biometrics within the past 10 years, okay? Now the another category of people who are exempt from submitting the biometrics information, well, at least it's in effect, is that permanent residence applicants who have enrolled their biometrics in the last 10 years, okay? So if you are a temporary residence applicant or a permanent residence applicant who has submitted his or her biometrics in the past, then you don't have to schedule an appointment right now. It is only for people who have never given their biometrics and are inside Canada applying for PR. Okay, so guys, I'll drop the link to this news release in the description box. If you need more information, please feel free to browse to the link or get in touch with us, schedule an appointment. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Guys, once again, my name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I hope to see you inside Canada pretty soon. All the best.